What's up, everyone? If you're getting into networking, cybersecurity, or prepping for your CCNA, Cisco Packet Tracer is the one tool you cannot skip. Cisco just dropped version 9, faster, smarter, and still completely free. Let me show you how to get it in under 5 minutes. Let's go. Hit the link in the description. It takes you straight to Cisco's official NetAcad resource hub. No Google, no random sites. Official only. You'll need to log in first. Already have a NetAcad account? Just drop your credentials and sign in. No account yet? No problem. Click Sign Up. Fill in your first name, last name, email, and password. Hit Create Account and you're done. Seriously. Takes 30 seconds. Now scroll down and look for learning resources. Right there, you'll see the download links. Mac, Ubuntu, Windows, all 64-bit, all Packet Tracer 9, pick yours. I'm on Windows, so I'm grabbing the Windows 64-bit version. Got the .exe file? Right-click it. Run as administrator. The install wizard pops up. Default settings are perfect. Just keep clicking. Next. Done. That fast. Launch it. A login page appears. Enter your NetAcad credentials one more time. You'll see this message. You have successfully logged into Cisco Packet Tracer. Close that tab, jump back to the app, and boom! Your Packet Tracer 9 workspace is ready to go. That's it. Cisco Packet Tracer 9. Installed, logged in, and live in under 5 minutes. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment with your OS below. See you in the next one.